Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Tiff from Tiff's Take, and today we're going to be reviewing the Green Chef Maple Barbecue Meatloaves, but with a twist. So stay tuned. This meal is paleo friendly and also gluten free. The nutrition facts are 670 calories per serving and 35 grams net carbs. This is going to take about 40 minutes to cook, but I'm going to be making one meatloaf in the oven and one meatloaf in our Traeger smoker grill or Traeger smoker, whatever. So as for the ingredients, both bags have the same contents. We've got 2 packs of ground beef, carrots, shallots, almond flour, barbecue spice blend, cranberries, an egg, Brussels sprouts, maple balsamic barbecue sauce, and garlic. I have the oven preheating at 425. I also have the Traeger preheating to 425. I want to see which one tastes better, which one's juicier. I want to see if the smoke, the smoke taste changes the meatloaf versus baking it. Spice blend, garlic. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna make the meatloaf. It says crack an egg into a medium bowl, whisk until well combined. We're cooking for 4 here, so remember, if you order the 4 serving version of this meal, modify this recipe by doubling the measurements where it makes sense. So let's do the 2 eggs. Sorry, my cousin texted me about work. She says, no, I'm not going to say it because I'm going to get fired. Ah! Okay. So then add ground beef, almond flour, and about half a tablespoon of the maple balsamic barbecue sauce. Ground beef. Dude, honestly, I feel like Green Chef, is this Green Chef? Green Chef has the best packaging out of any of the meal prep services I've tried. Like the best. Little zipper baggies or like Ziploc baggies. I mean, look at the garlic. I super love these little packages. They're so cute, and I can finally stop hoarding garlic. Half a tablespoon, so we're gonna go with a full since we gotta double up. Season with barbecue spice blend. Do we need it anywhere else? No, so we're gonna use both packets. Then it says a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, so we're gonna go 1/2 teaspoon. And then mix thoroughly to evenly distribute the ingredients. Right. I like to use my hands. You don't have to. You can use a big ass wooden spoon, a metal spoon, one of those rubber spatulas, but I feel like I have a better handle with my hands, so that's what I like to use. Sorry about my hair. I know it's super poofy. I was trying this thing that I saw where, like, to try to control the frizz on my curls, where you wrap your hair in a t-shirt and then you make sure that it's resting on the top of your head versus like off to the side or whatever. It's supposed to help control the frizz in your curls and, you know, give you the best bounce and volume and whatever. But I feel like it's like out to here. So, super poofy. So, it never does what I want it to do. So y'all can just come along with me for the ride. Okay, this looks good. Form and bake meatloaves. We're on step 2. Form meatloaf mixture into 2 oval-shaped loaves about 1 inch thick. Oh, man. Okay. So I have 2 baking sheets lined with foil. And then you want to lightly oil those. It says, place meatloaves on a lightly oiled foil-lined baking sheet. Spread remaining barbecue sauce over top of meatloaves. I do that old school, you measure with 2 fingers, it's about 1 inch, right, width. So this one is going in the oven. And we're gonna set the timer for 25 minutes. And if it needs more, we do it for longer. And then this one is gonna go in the smoker. So it's at 425 degrees. Also, we're gonna put it in for about 25 minutes. Probably less, but I have a thermometer. So this goes into the meat like so. And then this we're gonna plug into the Traeger outside, and then it'll alert the app as far as internal temperature to make sure we don't overcook it. So I'll be right back. Oh shit! I totally forgot a step. Oh. I forgot the rest of the barbecue sauce. I got new mitts. Birthday present from one of my besties. And then I gotta go do the other one, so. Okay, that's done. Next step. Prep. Now it's time for the veggies. So we're gonna trim the ends off of the Brussels sprouts quarter lengthwise. Okay, that's done. Next, cut tops off carrots, peel half lengthwise, lay flat, cut across into half moons about 1/4 inch thick. Okay, cut ends off shallot and discard peel, half lengthwise, lay flat, cut lengthwise into strips about 1/4 inch thick, and then mince garlic. Okay, start veggies. Heat about 1½ tablespoons of oil in a large saute pan over medium-high heat. Okay, also for the meatloaves, ground beef is fully cooked when internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. So in 3 minutes, I'm gonna take it out, check the temp, and then I'll check the temp for the smoked one, and we'll go from there. Ready? Ready. Ready, Freddy. So first go the Brussels sprouts. Carrots and shallots. Season with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. So again, I'm gonna go in with half a teaspoon. Stir to combine. Cook 4 to 6 minutes or until veggies begin to brown, stirring occasionally. So we're gonna let that chill for a moment. Let me get my thermometer. Meatloaf is at 154, so we're gonna give it like 5 or 10 more minutes. And then let's check this one. This one is at 123. So we're gonna put it back in for about 6 more minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna let all of this cook and then I will be right back with the next step. Okay, so the one from the smoker is out. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer so you can see it. And then let's check the other one. Okay, so let me show you the other one. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. Okay. So let's finish off the veggies. All right, they're looking really good, really toasty. So the next step, cook 4 to 6 minutes. Okay. Reduce heat under pan to medium-low. Add garlic and dried cranberries. Cook about 1 minute or until garlic is fragrant. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so next, add about half a cup of water. Oh no! So, is this one of those instances that, you know, doubling up where it makes sense? Should I do 1 cup of water or half a cup? Is it supposed to be juicy or like liquidy? No. It says add about half a cup of water, cook 8 to 10 minutes or until veggies are fork tender and liquid is mostly cooked off, stirring occasionally. So I guess I'm gonna add a whole cup of water. Let's do it. All right, so I'm just gonna finish this off, plate it, and then I'll be back for the tasting. All right, guys, so we are back. Okay, so the one on the right is the one from the oven. The one on the left is the one from the smoker. They both are well done. This one, the smoker or the one from the Traeger has like a little smoke ring. So let's give it a try. Okay, first of all, let me just say that barbecue glaze stuff is really fucking good. Like, really, really good. It's sweet and tangy at the same time. Perfect. I like the smoker one, or the one from the smoker, better than I like the one from the oven. The one from the smoker is a lot juicier. It's got the caramelization at the bottom. So it's kind of like a little bit crispy at the bottom, but not too crazy. And then the one from the oven it's moist, but it's just like a lump of meat. You know what I mean? On the left one, the smoker one, it's got that smoky flavor, which I really, really like because it pairs really well with the barbecue sauce. And then for the veggies, I mean, they're super awesome. No, I did one of these meatloaves, or similar, from Blue Apron. I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it. This one is way, way better. Like, way better. I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Green Chef is fucking crushing it. Like for realsies. This is super good food. I mean, I don't know if like I have a biased opinion because I like healthy food, but it's so good. My heart is happy. It's so good. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell at the bottom or next to the subscribe button so you're notified when I upload another video. And I will see you guys at the next review. Have a good night. Toodaloo.